Okay, let's make us start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. As it is speaking part 1, don't give a long answer, don't give irrelevant answer, just to the point answer in 5 to 6 sentences. In the end, you should conclude your answer. Now let's make us start. Do you always bring a lot of keys with you when you go out?
Generally, I don't bring a lot of keys, but when there is no one in my home, so on that day I have to take key with myself so that when I come to home, I can open my door.
All right. Do you have nice keychains?
Yes, I have amazing collection of keychains, which I put in my wardrobe so that my sister can't snatch from me.
All right, that's good. Have you ever lost your keys?
I don't remember I lost my key because I am very careful person and I always keep my things close to my heart.
Okay, so you keep your keys close to your heart. Come on, use proper language. Okay, all right. Do you think it is a good idea to leave your keys with your neighbor?
I don't think so. It's a good idea to keep
To
your
leave the keys with
with
neighbor?
your neighbors because nowadays people are not too much trusting and we can't.
People are not trustworthy.
Worthy and we can't trust anyone.
So it's not a good idea to give your keys to your neighbors. They may, enter your house and all that. Okay, so try to give a proper answer, understand the question, and your answer should be appropriate. Information you are providing should be appropriate according to the question. Okay, now it's your turn. Do you wear jewelry or do you like jewelry?
Yes, I like to wear jewelry most of the times when I have to go in a party or occasion where it is necessary to wear some jewelry and a nice dress. So I like to wear jewelry.
Okay, very good. What type of jewelry do you like?
Usually I like jewelry which is simple and elegant and which have not a big designs and have delicate and intricate designs. So I like the modern and intricate design kind of jewelry.
Okay, how often do you buy jewelry?
I often buy jewelry when I have to go to the event before. I have to buy before the month when that occasion has to happened, and I'm always in awe to buy the jewelry.
Okay, just try to answer every question differently, okay?
Okay.
And try to use different piece of information in your answer. One last question. Have you ever received jewelry as a gift?
Yes, I have received jewelry as a gift when on my last birthday, my mom gave me the gold jewelry, which is very expensive and I like it because it has my sort of design which I like the most. So
Okay.
I got it.
That's good.
at
Your
my-
English is good. You just need to be familiar with all these topics. Practice all these topics so that you know what to say and all that stuff, right? Thank you so much.